Welcome to my channel. I hate everything that I just did. Hello everybody. I hit the table. I'm failing. Hello everybody. Welcome to the 30 days. I'm literally brain dead. Okay. One more time. Hello everybody. Welcome to the 31 days of Halloween. I'm your resident Hallow Queen. Welcome. Today we are going to be doing Violet from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Well, this isn't Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. This is Charlie because they're different. Real people will know. I'm just kidding. All right. So we have a lot to do today. Just kidding. This look is super simple, super fun. Get on a blue tracksuit. I just put on a blue hoodie. It says priority on the arms, but we'll ignore that. Follow this tutorial and you got yourself a looky look. So let's jump into it. Do you think I can blow a bubble now? Chewing gum is really gross. Chewing gum I hate the most. Alright everybody, first thing you need is a big hunk of chewing gum. So get out the Hubba Bubba and let's get going. I am going into the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the color beige, and I am putting that all over my face using my beauty sponge. Then I'm going to go into my Black and White Cosmetics #1 for my lip. I'm going to go ahead and set my eyes using the yellow powder in my highlight and contour palette, and that will give us a good base for our face. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows with the Riase eyebrow pencil. This is in the color Black Brown. Literally amazing. Seriously, if you don't have this yet, why? Go get it. It's a game changer. Love it. Looking good. Then I'm going to be taking my Duo IOU Line Plus eyeliner and my More to Love mascara, doing a cute cat eye wing and plopping on some mascara. Then go into your Remember Me palette. Now is going to start the fun. I'm taking a giant fan brush and I'm really going into kind of all of the purple shades on the Remember Me palette, but I'm really focusing on Coquette. You're going to take that and put it all over your nose and cheeks, just like so. And it's okay if it's patchy. You kind of want a more patchy appearance. You don't want it to be like all one color. Now I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm going into colors individually to create depth and to really hyper focus in where I want that pigment. Right now I'm using Coquette, but I will go into Amethyst and Surge. I'm not really going into Slick that much because it's a little bit more blue than I like. I'm using a stippling motion here so that I can get the effect of, stipples. Now I'm going to go into Perky and In the Pink and put that along the edges for a transition. Now using a body paint, I colored in this purple color. You don't want it too dark, you don't want it too light. I thought that this was a nice little complementary color. I'm placing that in veins and then all over the nose, and I'm blending that out with my finger. Now pull your hair out and get that bubble gum going, baby, because the look is done. All right, everybody, so that is how you become Violet. I haven't exploded into a giant grape just yet. We're getting there. But this is the look. Ooh. You can get everything listed below. Please shop our merch and please shop our shop if you want to recreate this look. Everything is available on the website. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please join us on all of our other socials. They are listed below. We are on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, everything. Find us below. Also shop the shop. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe and hit that like button. Bye.
Perfect.
I bought bubble gum specifically for this video, so I'm gonna use it.